This is Jalan Tenggiri in Sebarang, Jaya, and we came out of there. Sebarang Jaya Pet Aquarium, Cafe Border, Paper Roger Bistro, Petron. It says Lorong Tenggiri 23 there, and some signs. And this is a street market, a street full of, not street market, a food street. And let's just go through this. This is Apom Balik, and this is Ziyat Soya. Ziyat Soya. This is, I think that is curry puff besar, people. Nasi tome ayam ketuk.
Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Very nice. Hi. And ayam goreng for $1 for a piece. And hello. This is corn, popcorn, and some cut fruits. An Indian store. Family Auntie Ida. That must be Auntie Ida. Hello. Hi. This is satay calif. Delicious. 70 cents for chicken, 80 cents for beef. What the hell is rooster? I think that's deer. 2 ringgit for deer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dear me. Goat, himpit. I don't know what all that stuff is. Those are the players here. Satay, that's the satay man. Hello. Hi, how are you? Nasi kerabu. That's, hello. How are you? Bloody thing goes on. I'm just going for a quick walk. Jalan Tenggiri in Sebarang, Jaya. This is sambal garing. Hello. Hi. How are you? Latte. This is the Starbucks of Sebarang Jaya. Starbucks, people. Adams. There's Laksa. And there's Starbucks on this side. Very nice combination. What's your name? Faizuri. I'll come back. Jarak social distancing. Hello. Hi, how are you? This is My Pisang Cheese. I think that's the company name. Is this good?
Sorry?
Is the food good?
Yeah, no. For food?
Is whatever you're buying, is it good?
Whatever you buy, yes, it's good.
Thank you.
It's good. It's good.
Is it good?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a banana with fried banana with cheese and toppings. Yeah.
Say hello to all your friends. You're live on YouTube right now. Show me your face.
Huh?
Show me your face. What's your name?
Ivy.
That's beautiful Ivy. That's beautiful Ivy's mother.
Yep.
Say hello, YouTube.
Hi.
Mahalo. Very nice. Thank you. And this is mango shake. See, mango shake. People, hello. Hi, everybody. Pasta the street. Let me check this out. Oh, chicken wraps and stuff. Aglio, Italian stuff. Bolognese. Carbonara, Italian stuff. Donuts. They're called Bambolini. Kayla.com or something. Donut Bombolini. And this is wanted, most wanted. Tofu. Don't know what this is, but it looks delicious. Green tea powder. Green tea and stuff. I like soya milk right now. This looks like KFC. They're playing off KFC and they call it KFC. And in the States you would be KFC. Finger licking good. Okay. Chicken KFC, Malaysian style. Oden. Hello. Pow Station. Of all colors. Chocolate. I'm coming back for that. Apambalik. We've seen this before. Maybe I'll come back for coconut water. Coconut water, how much? Coconut water. Hello, how are you? Don't hide your face. Show me your face. She doesn't understand English. I want this coconut, okay? This one. Look at the size of the bloody thing. Oh my bloody god. Is it real?
Yeah, very big. You want to try?
Is this coconut?
Yeah.
Really? God damn it. Yes, what's your name?
My name is Amira.
Amira. And that shy one there? That shy one?
You want?
What's her name?
Tanya aku pernah nama. Yes, right.
Hmm.
Farah.
Zara.
Farah.
Sora.
Farah.
Oh, Farah. Farah. Don't be so shy, Farah. Yes, I want to try. Thanks, Amira. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Putum piring. Shit, it goes on. Did I just say shit? I don't know what this is. This is just kuih muih Malaysian style. Hello, auntie. Selamat. Pulut udang kulim. I don't know what that means. Ismail Pasembor means curry puff.
Curry puff, pulut udang.
Pulut udang.
Ya, pulut udang.
Hello, what is kulim?
Ni pulut udang.
What is kulim? Kulim.
Dia punya apa pulut and coconut.
Coconut. From kulim.
Belum kulit.
And you are? Nama?
Cari.
Chari.
Yeah.
Oh, handsome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pulut udang kulim. Nasi couscous pandan ayam berempah. Okay. Excuse me, can I just look? So that's what it looks like. And these are the players here. They take touch and go. Looks Chinese. Hello. You're on YouTube live right now. Say hello. Oden. Rojak. Fruit rojak, I think. Hello. How are you? Hello. Smile. You're live right now. Smile. Your brother? Don't know him. Okay. Halima chocolate cake. Hello. Very nice variation. All cakes. Many people here. Tokoyaki. Hot and spicy. Mayo Kewpie. 7 ringgit for 6 pieces. Can I see the... That's what it looks like right there. And those are the blocks that make it down there. Is it nice? Have you tried it?
Yes.
You're live on YouTube right now. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi YouTube. Show me your face. Hi. Thank you.
Okay.
Chicken popcorn. Look at that. Hello. Hi. Help them. Goyang kaki. Goyang kaki. Working boss, working you goyang kaki. Keropok lekor, Ganu original. So come here if you want your keropok fix. This is Jalan Tenggiri in Sebarang Jaya near Penang. Butterworth, right? Butterworth. Okay. 3 ringgit. French fries and shit. Oh, bloody thing still goes on. Oh God. There we go. I'm crossing Jalan Tenggiri from here. Sebarang Jaya. There you go. Signage. Signage. Kawasan Rikun Tetangga Sri Tenggiri. I'm bloody overheating. This is sotong ring and stuff. It's okay. Ali's fried chicken with sotong ring. This is kuih kria, gula melaka, donuts and stuff. Hello. Hi. Coconut water again. Durian Belanda. Don't know what that means. Hello. How are you? Boys working away. What is this?
Yeah.
What are you selling? Oh,
Kondok cheese.
golok cheese.
Kondok.
Show me. I'll see a picture. Corn dog. Corn dog.
Yeah.
Okay, corn dog cheese. That's boss. That's boss. Tauke.
No. Food panda punya.
Oh, Food Panda. He looks goyang kaki like Tauke. Hello. Banana rolls. Hello. They take touch and go. GB Ropis. Banana rolls. And that's the good looking boy there making the banana rolls. And this, that's the boss. This is the cool. You're the coolie.
Yeah.
That's the boss. Look at him. He's smiling, goyang kaki back there, and working away the banana. And this boy is just working away. Help him. Thank you. This is some drinks, some keropok liquor, with pisang goreng and stuff. Don't know what this is. Gonna walk till the end. Boleh campur, gado-gado, nasi impit and all that. Looks very nice. Hello. Hello. Siapa buat? Boss. You?
I just selling.
Goyang kaki only. Boss.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Kuih mak lima.
No. That's my grandma.
That's your mother's. Mak Lima's daughter's kuih muih. That's the son. That's the grandmother's place. Come here if you want any kuih muih and all that stuff. Look at that. Very beautiful colors. Look very nice. That looks very nice. Yes, thank you. Donut susu. There's a bloody lineup here. This is donut susu. Milk donut. It is made here. Who makes it? Boss here makes it. I can smell the fermentation, but it's very nice. That must be the boss. She's doing nothing. The rest of them are working.
I'm baking.
You're fetching, okay. Is it very nice?
My first time.
Your first time?
But since really
First time lady, what's your name?
Rosanna?
You're live right now.
Sorry?
You're live.
Oh, hi.
Show me your face.
Oh, my face.
Yes, that's Rosanna. Hi. Beautiful Rosanna. First time. She's going to advertise for you. You better put extra donuts for her.
Okay.
Deal? Deal? Okay. Rosanna,
Yeah.
here's the deal. I'm going to show you the video link.
Okay.
If you like it, you go to the comment section
Okay.
and you make sure you tell that these people, especially that Tauke there,
Okay.
makes very good donut susu. Deal?
Yeah. Okay.
Look in the camera. Where's your mother?
Sorry?
Where's your mother?
My mother? My mother's name is it?
Where is she?
In Sabah.
Tell her whatever the hell you want in whatever language you want.
Okay. Hi Mak. Apa khabar? Sihat?
Tell her you love her.
Of course.
No, don't tell me.
I really miss you. Long time no see. I hope that we can meet very very soon.
Who is that behind you?
No. My husband.
Your husband is there.
Yes.
Tell your husband I'm looking at his car. I've got his car filmed right now. He better take care of you because the mother is watching. The whole world is watching.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
Say
thank you.
mahalo. You make sure you give her extra donuts.
Yes, I was.
Deal?
Yes.
Because she's going to advertise you.
Okay.
This is worldwide. Okay? I'll give you the link once I'm finished. I'll give you the link. I'll come back in 5 minutes.
Oh, I see.
Okay? I'm just filming right now. That's the husband there. Topiang pisang cheese. Very delicious looking. Jalan Tenggiri in Sebarang Jaya, and this is, I don't know what this is. All assorted Jalan Tenggiri. Hi, very nice. Hi, goyang kaki. Very nice. This is you? This is, what is it there? Donut.
The donut and the kopi pisang. The yellow.
Advertise.
Yeah. Oh, I have a donut pizza gebu. Okay, donut pizza gebu. Is
And
a
if they
donut,
want,
look like pizza. If they want, you can come to Jalan Tenggiri in Sebarang, Jaya. Yeah, we have a lot of them.
and check him out. He doesn't work. He just shakes leg. Very good looking boys. Thank you. Sushi shop, Muslim sushi. So this is sushi, Islamic style. Sushi Shahrim. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Who is the boss?
They want the boss.
I can tell.
I am the staff only.
You're the coolie.
Yeah, the coolie one.
And-
That one is the boss.
That is.
But they are very shy. They are very shy about this.
Oh, they're not shy. Yes. Social media in way. This one action only. This one
Which one you
here.
doing? Which one? You have a YouTube channel or?
With Malaysian tourism, but I have a YouTube channel.
Oh.
What's your name?
Fendi.
Advertise.
I forget to tell anything about this one.
If you want halal Muslim type sushi, you come and check out the boss and the action girl there. And this is the coolie. Come and help them celebrate this new business that they have. Yes?
Yes. Of
Good?
course.
They're on Jalan Tenggiri. Very action. Hi. Hi. So action, that one. Boss, say mahalo. Thank you. I'll come back.
Okay, sir.
And this is the last shop here. This is the last shop here. And this is a fruit shop. So this is, what is this? This is mata kucing. This is just oranges. And what the hell is this?
Bidara.
Bidara.
Usa.
Oh, bidara. 12. Okay. Oranges. So, if you want fruits, if you want fresh fruits, you come to Jalan Tenggiri in Sebarang Jaya, and that's the area, and that's the fruit market, food street. Starts out with the fresh fruits. Check him out. All right? Mahalo. From Jalan Tenggiri with the food road. I see a sign there. I'll end it at the sign there. From Jalan Tenggiri in Sebarang Jaya, Penang. This is JC. Mahalo. Out.